Welcome to Premier Quality Renovations. Whether it be interior renovations or exterior renovations, Premier is able to do it all.
Peter is offering lifetime warranty on his work. That gave us a lot of confidence on the genuinity of the business.
And we refer him because we're so happy.
It's an easy question, yeah. We'd recommend.
Absolutely recommend.
Hey, have you ever painted before? Well, if you have, you know what it's like to deal with this. Let me tell you, the struggle is finally over. Introducing Speedy Strips. It's painting made easy. The process is simple. Peel, stick, paint, leaving a perfect edge every time. But that's not all. Due to Speedy Strip's patented design features and rigid material, getting into corners, under flooring, ceilings, and baseboards is easier than ever, with no folding, tearing, or bleeding. Speedy Strips is revolutionizing the way we paint, making it possible for anyone to get professional results right at home. Speedy Strips, it's painting made easy with a perfect edge every time.
My company is called Symphony Garden Design. I named it Symphony Garden Design for the purpose of creating a symphony with plants and flowers and wonderful spaces. What I try to do also is to make sure that there's always interest throughout the seasons, and that many people don't want to be spending a lot of time maintaining their gardens, and I give instructions for people to make sure that their maintenance is minimized. If you would like to have a consultation or do a plan or do a full project, I'd be very, very happy to work with you.